Assalamualaikum dear students. Today is the third and last June SVT lecture of chemistry for grade 8. But before this, kindly submit your April and May SVT in your school and buy a separate copy for June SVT. Let's move toward our today question, which is question number 4. Make a table of 10 compound with their empirical and molecular formula. You have to draw a table of 10 compound with their empirical and molecular formula, which is present in your book on page number 22, and the table number is 1.7. These are the compound with their empirical and molecular formula. Empirical formula mean those formula which show the simplest whole number ratio of atoms of different element present in one molecule of a compound, and molecular formula mean those formula which show the actual number of atoms of different element present in one molecule of a compound. Number first is acetic acid. Its empirical, its simplest formula is CH2O, and its molecular formula is C2H4O2. Molecular formula show the actual number of atoms present in a compound. It's mean that the 2 atom of carbon, 4 atom of hydrogen and 2 atom of oxygen combined together to form acetic acid. Number second one is acetylene. Its empirical formula is CH, but its molecular formula is C2H2. It's mean that the 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen combine with each other to form acetylene. Third one is benzene. Its empirical formula, its simplest formula is CH, but its molecular formula is C6H6. Mean benzene will form when 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen combine with each other. These are the 10 elements with their empirical and molecular formula. Now look at question number 5, that how many atoms of each element are present in one formula unit of each of the following. These are the compound. You have to find out the number of atoms of each element present in a compound. Look at compound number first, which is mercury chloride. Its formula is HgCl2. Hg is the symbol of mercury and Cl is the symbol of chlorine. There is no subscript with the mercury. It's mean that only one mercury is present in this compound, and the subscript 2 is present with the chlorine. It's mean 2 chlorine is present in this compound. Look at number second, which is ammonium dihydrogen phosphate. Number first is nitrogen. There is no subscript with nitrogen. It's mean that one nitrogen is present in this compound. Now number second and third atoms are of hydrogen. Second hydrogen has 4, and the third one hydrogen has 2 hydrogen atom. 4 and 2 means 6. Total we have 6 hydrogen in this compound. Now number fourth one is phosphorus. There is no subscript with the phosphorus. It's mean one phosphorus is present in this compound. And the last one is oxygen, and oxygen has a subscript 4. It's mean that 4 oxygen is present in this compound. Now number third one is magnesium chloride, MgCl2. There is no subscript with the magnesium. It's mean that one atom of magnesium is present in this compound, and chlorine has a subscript of 2. It's mean that 2 chlorine is present in this compound. Now the last one is ammonium hydroxide. Number first one atom is nitrogen, second one is hydrogen, third one is oxygen, and the last one is again hydrogen. Number first one is nitrogen. There is no subscript with the nitrogen. It's mean one nitrogen is present in this compound. Second one is hydrogen, and the fourth one is also hydrogen. It's mean that total we have 5 hydrogen in this compound, and there is only one oxygen in this compound. Thank you.